Hi, I'm Cordelia Blake. In this edition of Ecom 101, I will teach you the basics of selling bundles. They're a great way to scale your business, own your listings, and sell higher priced items. A bundle on Amazon is a group of different products that go together to make a better single product. The goal of a good bundle is for each product to complement the others and to make the customer's life easier. A bundle can be utilitarian like a first aid kit or giftable like a special box filled with goodies. Rather than selling 4 different $4 items, the right bundle of those same 4 items will sell for $25 or $30. In this busy world, bundles are a way to make customers' lives easier as well as build a strong business. Bundles can be sourced via arbitrage, wholesale, private label, or a blend. Ideally, source bundles with the products that come from a reliable, verifiable, and repeatable source. Here are some tips for each. Bundling with arbitrage, or buying products retail and then combining them, is a good place to start and is also profitable when bundles are made from items that are available in-store only, store exclusives from several different chains, short-term seasonal products, and items that are not available wholesale, combined with wholesaled or private label products. Keep in mind that arbitrage products are not necessarily considered authentic by Amazon. Understand your risk. This can be a good short-term strategy, but focus on wholesale and private label for long-term success. Bundles sourced from wholesale items are a safe and scalable way to grow. When wholesaling for bundles, keep these tips in mind. Request permission from the supplier to sell their products in gift baskets or sets. Do not use the term bundles, as this is mostly an Amazon term. Meet order minimums by choosing several different products from the same vendor and use them in different bundles. Ask for an exclusive on the size, color, or even a discontinued version of their product for you alone to sell. Get any promises of exclusivity or permission in writing or do not bank on them. Bundle together products from different suppliers and consider adding a private label item to keep other sellers off your listings. Private label or manufactured products are also great for bundles. Here are some tips. Make one component that can be used in a variety of bundles. Assure that your product adds value to the customer and is not simply there to keep others off your listing. Get bids from different suppliers and negotiate on minimum order quantity and speed of delivery, not just price. Here are some winning strategies for all types of bundles. Read and understand the Amazon bundling policy and rules, as you are legally responsible for maintaining them. Know your numbers. Make sure that the cost of purchase, packaging, selling, and assembly is low enough that your bundle is profitable. Remember that Amazon now charges higher fees based on weight, not just size, so incorporate that into your budget. Create variations on the same listing with different sizes and varieties of basically the same bundle, and then replenish the best-selling versions. Include disposable items in a grocery bundle so that the whole thing is replenishable. For example, use biodegradable hot cups with tea rather than a ceramic cup. Learn how to write good listings and take good photos. Practice makes perfect. The more bundles you create, the more you will learn and profit. Go to scannersociety.com/classes to see our bundle and Amazon listings courses. They are clear and actionable. Our students love them. This has been a production of Scanner Society, the Chamber of E-Commerce. Thanks for watching.